The open road. Well, as open as it can get, with an Activa piled high with a mini jungle and foam boxes, of course. Hello folks, today's ride is gonna be a special one. I'm taking you through Nagpur, my hometown. We are starting on my brother's Royal Enfield Classic 350 and let's dive into the heart of the city and maybe stir up some old memories. A little honk so that the amaze knows I am approaching. So our first stop, it's Gokul Vrindavan for the best dosa in town with my crew, of course. So buckle up as we hit the double-decker flyover, a marvel where metal giants, the metro above and the car below, streamline into the city veins. Passing by Dikshabhoomi, it's a mix of calm and chaos. This place is a symbol of tranquility. It stands in stark contrast to the racing pulse of the Nagpur streets. Well, right after dosa, we took a quick pit stop at Haldiram's to grab some sweets for home. Of course, like we have diabetic people at home, but they love sweets and we love them. So, yeah, we were here and now we were leaving. And look at me stalling. Such a noob I am. Well, I hope I'm still waiting. It's just. Alright, there we go. There we go. Look at that friend of mine asking me to hurry up. Alright, so it's time for some hearty farewells. Bye.
See you अच्छे से जाओ
Chal bye.
हमारे लिए एकदम नया
So now the real fun begins. Let's see what the streets have in store for us today. The open road. Well, as open as it can get, with an Activa piled high with a mini jungle. And of course, there's always that one auntie who thinks a scooter is a paintbrush on the canvas of asphalt, 0% space. And just when you think you have seen it all, a scooty girl shows up, treating her ride like a pair of training wheels, feet down and wobbling at 15 kilometers per hour. I mean, come on, dude. Seriously? Thank God your feet are up now. Come on, what are you honking at so loudly and for so long? Take a chill pill, man. Okay, alright, now I get it. Now I get it why you were honking. This guy is coming back. Seriously? Well, every rider has their moments, and here's mine. Stalling mid U turn with a truck bearing down. Classic newbie move, right? Stalling there. And as I'm inching to the right, this car guy behind me starts honking like it's a sport. Patience, man. Red means stop. Please stop. Alright, let's go back on the double-decker flyover. I love this flyover. Well, wrapping up today's saga, our unsung heroes, the Nagpur traffic police. Did you see? They are teaching life lessons one challan at a time. Safety first, guys. Helmets on head, not on elbow. Please. And that's a wrap on today's journey through the streets of Nagpur. Thanks for riding along. Keep the wheels rolling, and I'll see you next time for more adventures.